I woke up and I felt a gush, a full-on panic attack. I was like, crap, this is happening. It's happening today. I am not ready. My bag isn't packed. But then I decided this is not the time to freak out. She literally put her hand like this to check me. And there are two men also in the delivery room. But then they decided, oh, now you will walk to. And जो लड़की अपने birthday bring in के लिए पागल थी, आज अपने बच्चे के साथ दर्द में बैठी हुई थी. Took the baby out and I heard the baby cry. It was amazing. Anyone who says C-section is the easy way out is stupid, and just tell them to be quiet. Hi, I'm Srishti and welcome to my channel Saas Bahu and Baby. In this video, I wanted to take you through my birth story. So I was due with my baby. My 40 weeks were going to complete on the 17th of September 2024. But I ended up delivering on the 1st of September 2024. And my birthday is the 2nd September. But I was born in 1990. So I was 33, almost 34 years old the day I delivered. So the whole pregnancy, I was just praying to God that please don't let the baby be born on the same day as me, because then I wanted the baby to have his own or her own at that time birthday. So on 31st of August 2024, we called a few friends of mine at our home to celebrate my birthday. It was a Saturday night. So since my birthday was falling on a Monday, I thought that let's just call everybody on a Saturday night, hang out, and kind of just like bring in my birthday. So the night before, we were having pizzas, having a good time, making like all of my friends were touching my belly and they were like, oh my god, what if you like start your labor now? I was like, haha, I still have 2 weeks to go. I was so wrong. So 2 हफ्ते बचे थे और मैंने तो हॉस्पिटल बैग भी पैक नहीं करा था. तो आई थॉट दैट है बहुत टाइम है, लिस्ट में सारी बनी हुई थी, सारे एक्सेल शीट्स रेडी थे, बस मेरा बैग रेडी नहीं था. सुबह 5 बजे, और पूरी प्रेगनेंसी में मुझे भूख लगती थी, तो सुबह 5 बजे मैं उठी हूँ ऑन द 1st of September and I was hungry. So I told my brother, can you just bring me a cold pizza from the fridge? I will eat it and I will go back to sleep. So he was like, okay, sure. He got me a pizza. I had it and I went back to sleep. Around 7 o'clock, my husband was sleeping right next to me. I woke up and I felt a gush. And I was like, what is this? Did I pee myself? But obviously I hadn't. So मैं sideways लेटी हुई थी, तो जैसे ही मैं सीधी हुई, whoosh, it was a flow of my amniotic fluid or whatever it is. And I was like, crap, this is happening. It's happening today. I am not ready. My bag isn't packed. And I fell into a full-on panic attack. It was so scary that I kind of started shivering. So my husband was like, okay. And he woke up and he was like, अब क्या करना है? मैंने कहा, I think we have to go to the hospital. He's like, okay. So he went and woke up my parents. I was staying at my parents at that time because मेरे ससुराल में तब पूरा renovation चल रहा था. We were all getting ready for the baby to come. We were all so excited. We were like, oh, new room, new house, new vibes, new baby. Yeah, so about for a month, I was staying at my parents' place. So my husband went and woke up my parents and my brother, who was hungover from the party last night. And we went to the hospital. So I was like, मैंने बैग भी पैक नहीं करा है, तो I just picked up my bag, my reports and went downstairs. And mind you, I'm still leaking amniotic fluid. So we put like taulias on my car and we went downstairs. And I actually told my brother, you come with me and mom and dad will pack up my bag and bring it later. तो मम्मा पापा को मैंने घर पे छोड़ा और मैं और सुशांत, मेरा हस्बैंड, चले गए नीचे गाड़ी में. और हम भूल गए कि हमने अपने भाई को बुलाया था. मेरे भाई का मुझे फोन आया कि वेयर आर यू गाइज? मेरे लाइक वी आर हाफ देयर एट द एयरपोर्ट. सो दैट वाज हिलेरियस. एनीवे, आई वॉक्ड इनटू द एयरपोर्ट. सो एयरपोर्ट I walked into the hospital. So I went straight to the hospital. Husband kind of dropped me off at the gate and I walked in. And I was like, hi, my water has broken and I'm not feeling any pain. What do I do? They're like, okay, let's get you admitted. So they took me to the emergency room. So I am now strapped into the car with all the monitors and everything. And the doctor comes and checks me. And they are like, okay, your water is still draining. And so they removed my nail polishes and they told me to just relax, and they said that आपका contractions शुरू नहीं हो रहे हैं. Oh, by the way, on the 31st of August and the morning when I was hungry, I felt very light flutters. And I thought that maybe मुझे Braxton Hicks हो रहा है, but apparently those were contractions. So coming back to the hospital, the doctor said, and they invasively examined me. She literally put her hand like this to check me, and I was like, this is very, very weird. So anyway, coming back, so they checked me and they said that contraction shuru nahi ho rahe hain, we will monitor. I was always very clear that I do not want to be inducted. I do not want Pitocin. It invariably ends up in a C-section. If I go into labor naturally, that's great. I will go for an epidural delivery. If not, then we will do a C-section. But I'm not doing labor first and then realizing, oh, the baby isn't coming and let's do a delivery, later C-section delivery. So they gave me the option, you want, we can induce you. And I was like, I want my doctor to come. So because it was a Sunday morning, the doctor hadn't come yet. So the doctor comes in around 8 or 9 and she says, okay, I've been monitoring you. Let's monitor you for a little bit more and see kya hota hai. Around 10 o'clock, they decided to check me again, and my labor had not progressed at all, and another complication arose. My baby's heart rate was a little high, tachycardic. So the doctor said that the baby's tachycardic, I'm not going to take any chances. This has now become an emergency. We are going to have to do a C-section right now because your fluid has completely drained and almost काफ़ी सारा निकल चुका है. अगर मैं तुम्हें अब इंडक्शन भी करवाऊँ और तुम्हें लेबर भी करवाऊँ, मैं गारंटी नहीं दे सकती कि तुम नॉर्मल डिलीवरी कर पाओगी. 99% चांस है C-section होगा. So around 10 o'clock or 9:30, we decided, okay, we are going to go for a C-section. This happened around 9:55 and I was immediately wheeled to the OT, and by 10:25 my son was born. When I was in the operating room, I remember they did not allow my husband to be with me, so I was all alone, and they gave me the anesthesia and I lay down, and I swear to God, I was like, मेरे को बहुत एंग्जाइटी हो रही है, मेरे को बहुत घबराहट हो रही है. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू दिस, हाउ टू गेट थ्रू दिस. एंड सो माई एनेस्थियोलॉजिस्ट हु वाज मेल, which also freaked me out. So I am now lying down, buck naked, just my hospital gown opened from everywhere, no chaddi, nothing. And there are 2 men also in the delivery room. But then I decided this is not the time to freak out. So I lay down and I started breathing and waited for my son's voice and for him to cry, or my daughter. Ab tak to I did not know. So when they took the baby out and I heard the baby cry, it was amazing. I was so scared, and then everything went away. And I heard his cries and I was like, doctor, kya hua hai? What is it? So my doctor knew that I had always wanted a girl. So she's like, सृष्टि तुझे फिर से आना पड़ेगा. मैंने कहा क्या हो गया? मैं सच में घबरा गई. एंड शी वॉज लाइक बेटा हुआ है. एंड आई वॉज लाइक तो ऐसे थोड़ी ना बोलते हैं यार. तो वहाँ पे भी मजाक मस्ती चल रही थी, इवन दो दे वर ट्राइंग, लाइक आई वॉज स्कैर्ड. एंड देन आई सॉ माई बेबी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड ही वॉज ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट वॉज जस्ट द मोस्ट अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. इवन इफ इट वॉज अ सी सेक्शन, जो दर्द हुआ बाद में वो अलग बात थी. रिकवरी वॉज पेनफुल, नो डाउट. After I came back to my room, so I was in recovery. Once the baby was born, they showed him to me and they took him away to clean him up, and I was fighting sleep very hard because I'm sure they must have given me some sort of heavy sedation. So I was in and out of sleep while they were stitching me back up, and they had taken the baby away. So because he had to be put on BiPAP, he was on BiPAP for a little while just to make sure that he's breathing okay. And after a while, he was absolutely fine. Like his APGAR scores were good, everything was good. He was a healthy baby. My husband also checked on the baby time to time. Kuch 2-3 घंटे I was in recovery. From 10:25, they must have taken about 25-30 minutes to stitch me back up, and then from 11 to 1 or 1:30 I was in recovery, and then around 1:30 they wheeled me back into my room, and then my whole family was there, and the pain was managed by medication obviously, so I don't remember being in a lot of pain. But the first night after I delivered and the excitement had gone, अब 12 बज गए हैं, मेरा बर्थडे आ गया है, सब केक कूक काट के चले गए. इट वॉज जस्ट मी, माई बेबी एंड माई हस्बैंड, एंड आई वॉज इन अ लॉट ऑफ पेन, एंड ऑल आई कुड थिंक ऑफ वॉज व्हेन विल दिस एंड. I could not move. I wanted to change my karvat and I could not move. And the pain started building up in my back and shoulders and neck. And I kept calling the nurse. I'm like, ये कब खत्म होगा? ये दर्द कब खत्म होगा? I want this to end. I could not enjoy my baby. I was just, the baby was crying. I was barely able to feed him. They were helping me, but I just couldn't get past that कि मुझे दर्द हो रही है and I want this to go away and I cannot move. Even if I could move it would be okay. मेरे को साइड चेंज करनी है, बस मेरे को उसमें दर्द हो रही है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते थे. तो वो पूरी रात मैंने अपना 34th बर्थडे ब्रिंगिंग इन, जो लड़की अपने बर्थडे ब्रिंग इन के लिए पागल थी, आज अपने बच्चे के साथ दर्द में बैठी हुई थी. काफ़ी दर्द था बट ठीक है, निकल गया, वो भी टाइम निकल गया. एंड वो पूरी रात मैंने घड़ी की कांटे ऐसे 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 होते हुए देखे हैं. अराउंड आई थिंक 5 बजे मुझे कुछ नींद आई थी, तब सोई थी. अगले दिन थोड़ा दर्द कम हुआ, बट देन दे डिसाइडेड, ओह नाउ यू विल वॉक टुडे, यू विल गो हैव टू गो एंड पास यूरिन, यू हैव टू पास स्टूल, until and unless you poop you cannot eat. So I was also off food for like more than 24 hours. So the next day around 12 I was given some food and I ate it. And after I had walked to the toilet and come back, thankfully the pain was not, मतलब मैं चीखे चिल्लाने नहीं कर रही थी, बट हाँ दर्द था. धीरे धीरे सब दर्द भी खत्म हो गया. I was able to start enjoying my baby. He latched right away. I did not give my baby formula. And it was scary and beautiful at the same time. Getting to know him, recovering, rediscovering myself, all of it was amazing. So yeah, that was my labor and delivery story. Sorry, birth story, because I never labored. And आगे की कहानी अगली वीडियो में. See you सखी. Bye.